it happened again. I keep finding these controllers on eBay and on the internet where the thumbstick is loose. It's out of place. It's popped off of the joystick itself, and it's such an easy fix. I made a video already talking about, I made several videos actually talking about how easy it is to fix this. All you need to do is just take the controller apart, make sure you have the right tools to do it. There's an eBay kit that I bought online that comes with all the screwdrivers, and it comes with replacement thumbsticks and all sorts of goodies, and it was like 10 bucks. Super easy though. All you need to do is just unscrew everything, take the controller apart, and every single time I bought a controller like this, the thumbstick is just off. This case, the actual plastic piece, and I'll show it right here, actually snapped. So the thumbstick is worthless. But once again, in that little $10 thing that I bought, that Xbox controller kit, it had a bunch of extra thumbsticks, so you just easily pop it back on. It works like a charm, and then you just zip the controller back up. Like I said, I've done so many of these, and I've never once had one of these controllers where the thumbsticks popped off. I've never once had it where the joystick is actually broken or has stick drift or anything. I'm not sure how people do this. They are either throwing their controllers or dropping them. But once again, like, that's the only issue that is wrong with the controller, is just the thumbsticks popped off. So yeah, that is how easy and simple it is to fix these controllers. So stop throwing your money away, okay, people? If you think that something is broken, just try to fix it. Just take it apart, try to fix it. And if not, people like me are going to buy your broken controllers for dirt cheap, fix them, and then flip them and sell them. So yeah, I don't know, it's super easy. If you see these out in the wild where the thumbstick is loose, just buy them. It's super easy to fix, and anybody can do it. So don't be afraid to even try. Fix your stuff. But I just wanted to show here too on Gamepad Tester that it is fixed. Nothing is wrong with it. Everything worked. All the buttons worked. No stick drift. Nothing.